show finds you happy, healthy, and safe. If you're new here, my name is Rhonda with Rhonda's Craft Frenzy. And if you're not new, thank you so much for stopping back. You're the reason why I do this. Today I'm going to show you how I put together these 3 super cute, super pretty DIYs for fall to spruce up your home decor just a little bit. Very inexpensive. Let's get right to it. I'll beat you to the craft table.
For my first one, I start out with this basket that I got from a thrift store. I just took it and painted it with Folk Arts oatmeal colored chalk paint. Once it was dry, I went over it with blue antique Folk Art chalk paint just on the rim and the handle. I did this using a dry brush technique. I just wanted to antique it a little bit. Once it was dry, I used these super cute farmhouse stickers that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I just put a pattern around the edges that I liked, and then I did a coat of Mod Podge over it. I glued down some floral foam into the bottom of my basket, and I started cutting apart all of my flowers and things that I wanted to use to fill that basket. I wanted to stick with the neutral theme on my basket, but still keep it fall. So I found these super cute sunflowers and a range of different other flowers and leaves. I just threw them all in the basket till I was happy, and that was it for my DIY number 1. I hope you like it. For my second one today, I started out with these 3 wicker discs that I grabbed from a thrift store, and I started by putting some greenery on them. So once I had my greenery on there, I started adding some berries and some pumpkins and just a bunch of little fall stuff in order to build them up. What I was going for was a 3-tiered piece. I just added all of these funky little things that I liked and using hot glue to adhere them. I used this wooden circle that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I stained it with briarwood smoked stain from Rust-Oleum because I wanted it to keep in that neutral kind of wooden look, but I also wanted it to be protected. And for my last one, I start out with a chalkboard sign from the Dollar Tree. I printed off a sign. I tore off the edges so that it wouldn't be super square. And I used my glue stick to adhere that to my chalkboard. The next thing I did was use those little Jenga blocks that I get from the Dollar Tree, and I wanted to make a stand. So I took 4 of them on the front, hot glued them together, glued it to the front, and did the same on the back so we could freestand. And then I went and I took the color Elephant from Waverly's chalk paint and I painted over the bottom of that. Didn't show it in the video, but I did do that. And lastly, for this simple little craft, I Mod Podged over the entire thing. I added a little bit of embellishments on that little holder part of it. And that was it. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, I appreciate you spending your time here with me today, and I hope you found some inspiration in my video. Please consider subscribing to my channel, and if you saw something you like, hit that thumbs up button, and don't be shy with those comments. Until next time, keep those glue guns at the ready.